How to watch One Piece on Crunchyroll. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch One Piece series on Crunchyroll. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar you need to type crunchyroll.com. This is the official website of Crunchyroll. Here, once you enter this URL, press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Crunchyroll. Here, make sure you are logged in to your account. They also offer a 7-day free trial for new users. If you have subscribed to it, you will be able to unlock different features on Crunchyroll. Now, once logged in, you will land on this page. Here, at the top right, you'll be able to see different icons. Click on the search icon at the top right. And now in the search bar, you can type in One Piece to search for it. Press on enter and you will get the search results below. From here, choose the One Piece series and click on it to open it. Now from here, you can choose the episodes you want to watch. You can watch both subbed and dubbed episodes here. To start watching, you simply need to click on this Start Watching, or you may select the episodes from the bottom. Once you have selected it, now it will start playing. Also note that you will only be able to play these episodes if you have subscribed to the premium plan here. After that, you will be able to watch One Piece on Crunchyroll. Make sure your internet is strong in order to view it smoothly. So by following these steps, you should be able to watch One Piece on Crunchyroll. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.